Before this class ends, most probably, we have a lab session for list views, detail views, the modes which we have discussed in previous sessions. So you can practice all those, and also you can also play around by creating your own PC file, as we have done it without any lab session. We have played around with the application here by creating our custom fields, all those stuff. So you can do all these things by your own as well. It will help you to learn this application earlier. Okay, so, apart from right now, we are done with the PC files. So the next thing is yes. So before going to that, I would share some of the questions, and I want you to answer those questions. From list view, detail view. Okay, so you have panel list here, right? So you have to just drag and drop the toolbar. You drag, then drop the toolbar, then you can see. You'll go to the application. Okay, so you get the so. And if you want to do something which is very unique, as per the requirement, so you can. I'll tell you the approach, how to do that. You just go to check in some different screen. Some different screen is also behaving in the same manner, or not. So if it is behaving in the same manner, then you can take a reference from that screen. Okay, so that also you can do. Yeah, you can see here, you've got these buttons right. Yeah, but did you add that? Can you? Can you go back and show me where did you add that? Okay, I added the toolbar here. Okay, I just drag. I'll delete it here from now, just to show you. So just adding the toolbar will. Yes, just adding the toolbar. We don't need to add anything else apart from this. That automatically add. Okay, so that's pretty much on this list view, and if you have any question, let me know. I've shared these details with you. Before going to that, I want to have the doubts. If you have any other doubts, right, because before jumping to the next topic now, next topic would be a little bit bigger, so that's why I don't want to jump to the next topic again. What is the next topic? GoSu. So PCF is completed and we will be talking about the GoSuing configuration. Let me tell you what are the things which are pending. So introduction to GoSu. GoSu classes. Okay, and you said that you will be sharing the resume to me. I'll be sharing what? Your resume, your profile. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. Okay. What about the integrations? Yeah, we are talking about the configuration here, right now. So I will be talking about the business rules. We'll be talking about enhancements. Okay, dependent drop-downs. And partial pay. Okay, so these are the topics which are left for configuration. And probably this will be finished. These 3 topics will be finished tomorrow. And in the rest 2 days we can finish all these topics. So I'll suggest you to complete the lab sessions till now, before starting with this. Then after that we have topic of integration next week. So we will be having intro, then we'll go ahead with the message. Do we create an API from Guidewire? Say I have an external application, in-house application, that's looking for some information from Guidewire. Yeah. So can we create an endpoint in the Guidewire that can be consumed by the external application? Yes, we can create, so it will be covered in the published session. Published and consuming. Web service publishing and consuming. It will also take 2 to 3 sessions. And next is predefined plugin. It will take 1 session. Then batch processes. One to 2 sessions maximum. 1 session. If we are not able to cover it, then 2 sessions. And before that I would also have a doubt session here before finishing the configuration. Before starting the integration out session, and here also 1 doubt session. And this doubt session we can have on weekend also. Yeah, but thing is just, can you ask them to give me that training lab sessions that way? Let me check with them again. I need to follow with them again. Just a second. Yeah. So, before starting this GoSu, I just want to finish up the I have. So entities, those are the only lab sessions for entities. Yes, those are the only lab sessions, 3, for lab sessions, which I've shared.